Hello learners, I'm Ulysses Roman and welcome to Microsoft Excel Tips, Geography and Mapping. Let's begin learning. So there's this feature only available in Microsoft 360 that generates maps by using geographical data. So let me show you how it works. So as you can see here, I have two columns, one with the list of states, the other one with the state population. So what you want to do is highlight that data. We're going to go then to Insert. We're going to go to Charts. We're going to select Maps and then Fill Maps. And as you can see, it generated a dynamic map based on the data that's in your table. So what makes it dynamic? Well, if you scroll over any of the states, you can see that it's pulling in the data that's in your table into the map. So in this case, it's the population. If you scroll over any of the states, you can see that it changes. It's also cool because it does also color scaling, the darkest color being the largest population, the lightest being the lowest. So yeah, it's definitely a pretty cool feature. You could also not use populations. You can make this, income level or whatever your heart's does desire. But yeah, if you want to also change the chart design, I would go to chart design. Click on chart styles. You can change the background. You could even change the color of the map itself. So yeah, check it out. For more Excel resources and video content, please visit my website at ulyssesroman.com.